After signing up for Yahoo Mail, there are a few essential steps to complete your setup and personalize your experience. Follow these steps to get started. Step 1. Access your Yahoo Mail account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker that updates your password if needed. Step 2. Customize your profile. Click on your profile picture or the account icon in the top right corner. From there, select account info to update your profile details, such as your name, profile picture, and recovery options. Step 3. Set up your signature. Go to the settings gear icon in the upper right corner and select more settings. Under the writing email section, you can create a personalized email signature that will automatically appear at the bottom of your outgoing messages. Step 4. Organize your inbox. Create folders to organize your emails by clicking on folders in the left sidebar. You can create new folders for different categories, such as work, personal, or projects, to keep your inbox tidy. Step 5. Adjust your notification settings. Return to the settings menu and select notifications. Here, you can customize how you receive alerts for new emails, including desktop notifications and mobile alerts, ensuring you stay updated without being overwhelmed. Now that you've completed the setup, you can enjoy using Yahoo Mail with a personalized touch. Explore additional features as you become more familiar with the platform.